What's up, YouTube? Roger Ratchet coming at you again. Today we're working our first job on the 04 Grand Cherokee. Today we are going to be putting the hood struts on the hood because these ones are pretty much shot. For this job, all we need is a tiny screwdriver. Yeah, it's bent, but it doesn't have to be straight for this job. And of course our struts. Now this is a pretty simple job. I know it looks intimidating, but it's pretty simple. Make sure you got your hood prop there and make sure your hood's up there good to where it don't fall down on you. We don't want that to happen. Then you take your little screwdriver, and if you look right there on your struts, you got a little slots in your strut, and this little metal strap goes around it. All you gotta do is stick your screwdriver in that slot and pop that out. Usually you don't have to pull it all the way out, just enough to where it hangs there. And this bottom one is the same way. It's got a little slot in it. And we'll take them off as we pop that out, so we don't have to worry about it popping back in on us like that one just did. See, it just pops right off there. Pretty easy so far. Then your new strut. Well, we don't need a screwdriver for this. All we do is that little hole, we put it on our little ball here and push it on. Same way with the top one. Put it on our ball and push it on. That's one down. And to this side, same thing. Just pop that little strap out with your little screwdriver and pop it right off there. Same way with the bottom. Just get your screwdriver in that little notch, pop it right off. Then put our screwdriver away again. Get our other new strut, our little hole there, put it on our little ball and pop it on. This little hole, you can turn it, put it on your ball, pop it on. Take 5 minutes to do this job, and we can do away with our hood prop. And our hood stays up. How about that? Alright, until next time, I'm Roger Ratchet, and thank you for watching.